Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ma, and today we're diving into some powerful tips to help you attract a girl who doesn't seem interested in you. At first, don't worry if it feels like you don't have a chance, because with confidence and the right strategy, everything can change. We all deserve to be loved and appreciated. And sometimes the smallest changes can make the biggest difference in creating a special connection in this video. I'll share some effective strategies that will help you impress her, rather than just sitting back and waiting for an opportunity. We'll explore how to use confidence and charm to your advantage, making it easy for you to attract the girl you like, even if she isn't initially showing interest. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started and apply these techniques to open new doors in your relationship with her. Remember, it all starts with confidence and a smart approach. When use your eyes to make an music. Impression eye contact is essential in building relationships, but create a deep connection. Pay extra attention to her left eye. Research suggests that looking into the left eye can stimulate the brain to release oxytocin, the love hormone which helps build trust and emotional bonding. A deep, gentle gaze filled with warmth and sincerity can say more than words. A knowing look can make her feel special, showing her that you genuinely care. Small but meaningful gestures like this create an intimate connection, making your presence memorable to her. Do change your scent. Scent has an incredible ability to influence emotions, sometimes even more powerfully than words. Studies show that men who wear appealing fragrances not only feel more confident, but also attract women more easily. Your scent is an extension of your personality. Choosing the right fragrance not only makes you feel comfortable, but also leaves a lasting impression. A great scent can trigger fond memories, making her think of you even when you're not around. So invest in a fragrance that reflects your style and enhances your appeal. 3 beats anxiety with natural supplements if you feel nervous. When approaching a woman, know that it's normal. However, you can manage this with natural supplements that reduce stress and boost confidence. For example, certain vitamins and herbal extracts can enhance focus, energy, and relaxation, making social interactions feel more natural. When you feel at ease, your true personality shines, and that's when attraction happens, naturally. Confidence is key, so managing anxiety will allow you to express yourself more authentically. Call a loved one before meeting her. A quick conversation with a close friend or family member before a date can work wonders in calming your nerves. Hearing a familiar, reassuring voice boosts your confidence and sets a positive tone for your interaction with her when you enter the date. Feeling comfortable and self-assured, she'll pick up on that energy and find it attractive. Women are naturally drawn to men who exude confidence and stability. So this simple trick can help you set the right tone from the start. Plan an exciting and unique date. A typical dinner date can feel routine and uninspiring. Instead, choose an activity that sparks excitement and adventure, whether it's a fun challenge, a spontaneous road trip, or an interactive experience. These types of day create strong emotional responses, making her feel more connected to you when she experiences an adrenaline rush or a sense of excitement with you. Her attraction naturally intensifies by creating memorable moments. She'll associate those positive feelings with your presence. 6. Show confidence in social settings. Confidence isn't just about how you interact with her, it's about how you engage with the world around you. Be friendly and effortless in conversations with waiters, bartenders, or people nearby. This signals that you're comfortable in social settings and have a natural charisma. When she sees that you are well regarded and can navigate different social situations with ease, she will subconsciously view you as a high-value man, someone who is resp-ed, capable, and attractive, a very important role in building relationships. But to create a truly deep connection, you need to pay more attention to her eyes in particular. When you are talking to her, try looking into her left eye. This may sound strange, but according to researchers, direct contact with the left eye can stimulate the brain to create love hormones, such as oxytocin. This is a hormone that helps increase connection, trust, and bonding between two people. When you look into her left eye, you are not simply communicating, but creating a stronger connection, making her feel the care and respect you have for her. A deep, gentle, but meaningful gaze can say everything you want to convey. It's a great way to show genuine interest without saying too many words. Just a knowing look, a look full of warmth and sincerity is enough to make her feel special. Feel that you are really paying attention to her. Connection comes not only from words, but also from the eyes, small but meaningful gestures. That is what makes your relationship with her closer and creates a safe space where both of you can truly understand each other. So try looking into her left eye to see how great a connection you can create with just a look full of emotion and sincerity to change your scent. Scent has a magical power in influencing human emotion, sometimes even more powerful than words. A study shows that men who use deodorant with attractive scents not only help them feel more confident, but also easily attract women's attention. Entering from the very first moment when you enter a space, the scent you carry can create a strong first impression, making her feel curious and attracted. Scent is not only a factor that contributes to increasing attractiveness, but also reflects your personal and style. If you choose the right scents, it will not only make you feel confident and comfortable, but also bring a pleasant feeling to those around you. Imagine a date where she feels a wave of relaxation and attraction. When you are close, that scent will make her remember you, forever creating an unforgettable impression in her mind. Never underestimate the importance of scent when you want to impress her. It not only makes you more confident, but also makes her feel cared for and sophisticated from you. Choosing a scent that you really love, a scent that represents you, will make your relationship much more special. Remember, scent can be something that makes you unforgettable in her heart, a sign of the attention and care you give her. 3. Beat anxiety with natural supplements. If you feel stressed and anxious every time you approach a girl, don't worry too much. It's completely normal and everyone experiences it, but you can control it. Some supplements can help you reduce stress, boost your confidence, and make you feel more comfortable. When approaching her, a good example is guana, a water-soluble vitamin, known for its ability to increase alertness and energy. Garner not only makes you feel energetic, but also gives you great confidence, making you more comfortable when facing stressful situations. Such supplements help to eliminate anxiety, making you feel natural and easy to express yourself, especially when approaching someone you really care about. When you don't feel the stress that's holding you back, it's easier to communicate and make a good impression. Confidence is key to making a strong impression on the girl you like. And when you feel comfortable, you can be yourself without worrying about how to impress or what to say. So if you're feeling nervous or anxious about approaching her, try some stress-reducing and confidence-boosting supplements. This will help you feel more comfortable and confident and give you the opportunity to show off your natural attractive self. And B2 is to 4. Make a call to a loved one before meeting her. You can try calling a loved one or a close friend. Conversations with someone familiar can give you a sense of security as a way to soothe the anxiety and stress that is rising inside. That familiar voice is like a gentle encouragement, helping you feel less lost or scared when facing the girl you are interested in. This feeling will help you calm down and gain your confidence, which is something we all need when we want to make a good impression on others. When you feel confident and comfortable, this will naturally show on the outside. She will feel the positive energy from you, and that confidence will attract her, making her feel that you are trustworthy and can make her feel safe. Attraction doesn't always come from flashy words or actions, but sometimes just by showing your confidence and self-assurance, she will feel it and be attracted to you. So before you go into the meeting, don't forget that confidence is the most important factor. A short conversation with a close friend can be a great medicine to help you reduce anxiety and be ready to face any situation. Believe in yourself, and you will see your relationship with her develop naturally and impressively. 5. Create excitement with a different date. A typical date can become too boring and easily make both of you feel disconnected. However, if you change it up and organize a date that is challenging and interesting, you will give her a completely new experience, making her feel nervous and excited from the very beginning. This will not only make the date memorable, but also arouse strong emotions in her that sometimes she can hardly explain. That fluttering feeling like butterflies in the stomach will make her feel surprised and excited. And those are the moments that we can never forget. When you create elements of surprise in the date, she will not only feel excited, but also find herself more strongly attracted. Gentle challenges and new activities will help her open up more gradually, creating a special connection between the two of you. When you can make her feel like she is experiencing an adventure with you, your relationship will become more connected, and she will feel that you are the one who brings novelty, freedom, and joy to her life. This date is not just a chance to meet, but also an opportunity to create memorable memories, making her feel truly special. It is those challenges and surprises that will help you create a deeper connection, making her more attracted and closer to you. 6. Show confidence in social settings. When you go on a date, don't just focus on her. Remember, one of the most important factors that create attraction is confidence and the ability to communicate naturally with people. People around you, don't hesitate to say hello, chat with restaurant staff, waiters, or even people around you. When you can interact easily and friendly with people, you not only show confidence but also show that you are someone who is able to fit in and has a certain status in society. This will not only make her feel that you are a remarkable person, but also create a deep impression that you are someone who is capable of building good relationships with everyone, not just her. She will feel that you are someone who is understanding, can master the situation, and is not afraid to express yourself in any situation. Your confidence when communicating with people around you will make her feel secure and attracted to you. It is a strong sign that you are someone who knows what you want as your own style and is always confident in your abilities. Such a person will not only stand out in the crowd, but also bring a sense of security and comfort to the other person. This will make her feel that you are a special person and will definitely make the date more interesting and memorable than ever. 7. Avoid paying for the date in front of her. When the bill comes, don't rush to pay in front of her. Instead, if she goes to the bathroom or leaves temporarily, quickly pay without her or anyone else noticing. This small gesture not only helps you avoid awkwardness or feeling pressured, but also suddenly demonstrates your confidence and control in social situations. This action shows that you are not only a person who knows how to take charge of a situation, but also has the ability to make decisions confidently without needing approval. 7. Pay for the date discreetly. When the bill arrives, don't make a big show of paying, instead handle it quietly. Perhaps when she steps away momentarily, this small but meaningful gesture suddenly communicates that you are confident, responsible, and in control. This action makes her feel valued without making her feel obligated. It showcases maturity and independence, qualities that naturally attract women. You don't rush to kiss. How many men feel pressured to kiss a woman at the end of a date? But holding back can actually work in your favor. By not kissing her immediately, you create a sense of intrigue and anticipation, making her think about you long after the date is over. A sincere hug and a warm goodbye leave her wanting more. This builds excitement and deepens the attraction, as she will wonder when the next moment will come. By showing restraint, you demonstrate confidence, self-control, and respect, all of which make you more desirable. Final thoughts. If you apply these techniques, not only will she be drawn to you, but she will also remember you long after the date ends. Attraction is not about flashy gestures or expensive gifts. It's about the way you carry yourself, the subtle ways you show interest, and the confidence you exude. From my contact to small, meaningful actions, every detail plays a role in creating a deep, lasting connection. When you know how to stand out naturally, she'll notice the difference and be drawn to you as a person. Thank you for watching. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss future videos. Believe in yourself and start your journey to attracting the woman of your dreams, because you absolutely deserve it.